going to ask, wouldn't it be just simpler na lang if these congressional and Senate hearings are not done kumbaga walang mga TV cameras para wala na lang po makakapanood because most of them, a lot of them are grandstanding and syempre, di ba, they want to flex their power. Wouldn't it just be simpler that way?
I wouldn't want to characterize yung actions po ng mga kongresista. No? I do not have any basis to think that they're there only for personal or selfish motives. I'd like to believe that they're all acting for the good of the country. No, pero indeed, there are good reasons for having television cameras there. There are also unsavory reasons, no, na para tanggalin na lamang. Sa akin, it's probably just I leave it up to the viewers na lang, no, kung paano yung pagtratingin nila dun sa mga actuations ng mga congressmen. Some will say that they're doing good for the country, and that's fine. And then others will say that they're grandstanding or that it is in aid of re-election. Nasa kanila na yon. Sa akin, as a lawyer, the only thing that I'm looking out for is yung rights ng karapatan ko, ay ng kliyente ko, no? Yung rights ng kliyente ko. Na sana iwasan po yung character assassination, tsaka yung guilt by association. Yung tipong maglalabas ng retrato, kilala mo ba to? Kunyari, nandoon yung ex-PNP chief, no, na si General Acorda. I mean, ano ibig sabihin nun? Porque nag-selfie kayo, involved na kagad si General Acorda in illegal activities. I mean, that is just so unfair. No? Tayo pala, Pat Pitt, saka Ali, kung kunyari, nagkaroon tayo ng selfie and then later on, it turns out that I'm a drug lord. So, involved na din kayo sa drugs.
Never kami magpapapicture sa'yo.
Ayun na.
Especially in this day and age, kapag merong humingi ng
celebrity,
selfie with you,
maraming
groovy with you, lalo na kung kilalang tao ka, talagang
mahirap.
Diba? Pagbibigyan mo yung gustong magpa-picture sa'yo without knowing yung character nung nagpapapicture sa'yo.
Hindi, tsaka it is, alam mo tayo, pag merong gusto, I'm sure kayong dalawa, pag meron nakakilala sa inyo in public, no, lumapit, pwede pong pa-selfie, Ma'am Pat P, ganyan. You have to say yes. Why? Because you're a public figure.
Let's get together. Sunnet 25. Sunnet 25.